Horses dinner with us. 3 horses to feed: Philly, Whiskey, and Laney. I said Larney. Carrots. Our carrots go first. We need to chop them up. Oh, doing lots of chopping to these carrots because our horses can't eat full carrots. No, I'm kidding. Whiskey is not gonna get any carrots because
he bit me.
Yeah, I don't know what to say. He's just poking his head over the fence like, do I get any?
I shouldn't shoot him. We should put him in that lot. Give him some. Give him more.
Okay.
Gosh, you can't be selfish.
Okay, so I chopped up Lainey's carrots. Also, we're gonna have to have a part 2 because we're running out of time. Go to part 2.